Here's how our girls' dinner date went. We went to the Golden Fountain restaurant. It was upstairs in a mall somewhere, and it had an after wedding reception vibe, to be honest. And when we sat down, I fell in love with the revolving glass in the middle of the table. Made the food accessible to all without the armpit hair stretching and all. My cuz had the pork dumpling soup for our appetizer.
Yeah. That's untrue.
I had the shrimp fried wonton and something else I can't remember the name of. While we did that, we also made bets on how much the meal would come up to. My naive ass said $25,000 SMH. I tried my cuz soup after.
Needed more spice.
Then the drink came rolling in while we each picked a card out of a bag and answered a question on it. They were funny ones, sentimental ones, and spicy ones. Really kept the conversation flowing naturally and lively. Even my cheeks started to hurt from all the smiling. It was all good and fun till the food came out, and boy did we chow down. We even had to order another plate of fried rice because it was so good everyone wanted more. But 2 bites in, I realized.
Them fucking baby.
But the food was nice. I was full. But I kept eating because no way was I going to admit defeat. My dress was loose, and even though I knew this was a type of greed talked about in the Bible, I could not help myself. Then we all got a small token of appreciation, and I got a special gift basket for not showering for 3 days. Sorry, I forgot to film my part. I got shy, really shy. Then the betting results. She picked a card because she got it right and won $4,000. And then the next contestant is the one who picked who would get it right, and she won a hug from everybody. So here is she getting the hugs. Overall, we had a great day and we signed off on a good note. That was it. Bye, Dayz. See you on another day.